I'm Harold Dalton. I'm the general manager for Pathway Communication. I started this company in 2004. When I go to the TCEA Conference, I don't get a booth as a company. My customers that I've had since 2004, one of them drugged me to the ClearTouch booth over that silly bug game. And for 35 minutes, the conversation went on between me and the customer and Frank Diaz for ClearTouch about how that panel could be used. From that one meeting, we sold 55 panels. From then on, we've been selling those on and off for, since then, probably 5 or 6 a year. When you ask the question, how does it change the bottom line? Well, the bottom line changes because the technology changes. That's one thing in business you learn. Interactive markets are probably taking over 50% of the bottom line of Pathway in panels in some form or fashion with K through 12, higher ed, in corporate America.
I've worked with Harold at Pathway, and he really helped us in the process of getting everything delivered and getting it here. His guys helped us because, like I said, our timeline was so tight, and we had to coordinate the 18-wheelers coming in and people being here to unload, and he happened to have a crew here that was doing wiring for us, so he just pulled them and had them help us unload, unbox, and do all of that with the panels. And so he's been great to work with, very responsive if we have any needs. We just call him and he's right down the road, and he can be here in 10 minutes, and he's been very helpful.
My experience working with ClearTouch has been wonderful. We kind of started with them when they first started as well, so we've been growing together, bouncing ideas back and forth, them telling us about products, and we kind of reiterating what the customer likes. I myself am a former teacher, and that's one reason why I was hired by Pathway, because I can communicate what the teachers need to the technicians and vice versa.
When you call this company, you can talk to the owner of this company. Anybody can. I answer my cell phone at least 17 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you call and you ask, we will do. If we've installed it for you, we will support it until that product is disposed of. We have customers from 2004 opening day I still have as customers today, 16 years later.